Welcome to SSC online audio video lesson. Myself Rusti Banerjee from St. Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College. Today my subject is English Grammar of Standard First and topic is lesson number 21 of your grammar workbook, and that is doing words. That is, children, what? Doing words. Let's see some introduction in it. Some words that shows action that are called doing word. They are known as doing words. They are also called verbs. For example, talk, eat, write, throw. The thing where you have to do the action like walking, jumping, playing, skating, then eating. These are called the verbs. The verbs of are they also known as doing words. Okay, children, let's go forward and understand next. For example, yes. For example, what are the doing words? And we have to see the example for that. The first one is run. Run. Run is a doing word. We run. Run मतलब हम action करते हैं ना, run करते भागते हैं, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं doing words. Okay, action words. Then jump. Jump. We jump. That is the action. That means that are the doing words. Okay. Let's go next. Singing. Singing is again a doing word. We sing. That is a doing word. Swimming. Swim. It is also a doing word. That is an action word. Means doing word. Dance is also a doing word. We dance. Right? Dance is also a doing word. It's also action. Okay? It is also a doing word. Skate. Skate is again a doing word. Okay? That is an action. Skipping. It is also a doing word. So, it is an action word. So, it is a doing word. So, let's recap again. Let's do the quick recap again, children. I know you understood all this, but still we have. It is my duty to take you for the quick recap. Some words that shows action that they are known as doing word. They also called as verbs. For example, talk, eat, write, throw. We have some following examples for that. They are run, jump, sing, swim, dance, skate, skip. Okay, these are the doing action and doing, or you can say doing words. Okay, let's go for the activity work. Look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks with the correct doing words. The first one. The boy dash football every day. The boy what football every day. The boy play football every day. The boys play football every day. Second one. I dash for an hour before dinner every day. What she is doing? She is studying. So I study for an hour before dinner every day. Birds dash in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. I dash a glass of milk every day. I drink glass of milk every day. It is also shows action of drinking. Okay. Then my sister dash the food on Sunday. What she is doing here? She cooks the food on Sunday. My sister cooks the food on Sunday. Farmer dash in the field. Farmer work in the field. The farmer work in the field. Okay, children, these are the doing words. These are the action words. What you have learned in this lesson. Can you tell me the first? Can you go for the first quick recap of the doing words? The doing words are, for example, that had some action like jump, run, skip, dance, sing. These are called doing words. Okay, children, I hope you understand this lesson. This is very interesting lesson and it is there in your grammar workbook. See you on my next session. Till then, thank you very much.